आज क्योंकि हम नेशनल आम डे मना रहे हैं, तो इस हवाले से हम चाहते थे कि इसको हम थोड़ा सा ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाएं इस शो को अपने व्यूअर्स के लिए। तो हमने इनवाइट किया दो स्पेशल गेस्ट। मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं तौसीफ हैदर।
Hello, Shala. Thank you.
We also have joining here my USAID colleague, Dr. Grace Bucher. Hi, Grace.
Hello.
Hello, doctor. How are you doing?
I'm doing really well. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So, Shala, what's the plan?
So actually, me and Grace, we were talking about the USAID assistance for mangoes over the years. And then she basically asked a very interesting question about how to eat mangoes. I thought, I can invite the person who can perfectly, tell her how to eat mangoes. So here we go.
Thank you very much, Shala. So, Grace, you really want to know how do we eat mangoes in Pakistan, the real, authentic way of eating mangoes?
I thought I knew. I thought I knew how to eat mangoes, but I think I'm mistaken about how to eat mangoes the proper way.
Perfect. So first tell me what kind of mangoes do you have with you right now, and what is your preparation?
Okay, so the mangoes I have are Sindri, correct?
Correct.
Anwar Atoll.
Correct.
And Chonsa?
Correct. It's a little mix of, but yes, a kind of chonsa.
I learned that this is one of over 200 varieties of mango.
I know, yeah.
So, and I, as an American, have very minimal experience in preparing mangoes. But one way I did know is that you can take a mango. I'm going to take the Sindri, and let's see if I can just tilt this down like a cooking show for a second.
Yeah. Do it.
So you take a slice of one of the cheeks. Ooh, look at that, how beautiful.
Perfect.
Matched accordingly. And you put it over the side of a lip of a cup, and you scoop the flesh into the cup. And so you have a perfect slice of mango, and then it takes out all of the good.
Perfect. Kudos to you. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. But this is a very, very sophisticated, decent way. That is not the authentic Pakistani way, my friend.
Oh, no.
Yeah, do you really want to see how do we eat mangoes?
I do.
So you have to give me 10 seconds.
Okay.
Stay online. Don't go away. I'll just go off screen and then come back with the authentic wardrobe for mangoes. All right? So stay with me.
Can I eat some mangoes while we're waiting?
All right. So what we are doing now is that we are changing into a more appropriate wardrobe to eat mangoes.
Tauseef Saab, I'm nervous. I don't know what I'm in for.
Here we go. So this is how you should be dressed to eat mangoes, because the very real white malmal ka kurta, this cloth is called malmal, okay? So this malmal ka kurta, why I think it's more appropriate and authentic to wear such kind of a dress to eat mangoes, because when the mango falls on your dress, it looks really nice. It's a piece of art.
That's why I dressed accordingly. I was nervous about the mango juice.
Dr. Grace, what you need is a bucket of mangoes with you.
Okay.
And it should have a lot of ice in it.
Okay.
With water and with different varieties of mangoes in it. So the mangoes and the ice go in the bucket. Ooh, it's chilled. The idea is the mangoes coming out of the fridge or the refrigerator are cold, yes, but they are not really deep cold. To have a deep cold mango and to enjoy the real best taste of it, you have to have a bucket of ice and water and put all the mangoes inside. Right? So this was step 2. Now we go to which one I like. Then you have to choose. All right? You have to choose the one. And when you're sitting with the family, you have a competition. If your siblings are there and I want the big one, I want the yellow one. So all that kind of festivity is also part of the all authentic way. Okay, so I choose this one. I like the very yellow Johnson. Now this is a big mango. and cut it. And the smaller the mango is, I should, you know, what do you say in English when you do this?
Smush?
All right. Yes, all right.
Rolling it, right? Like you would a lime to get the juice out.
This is easy.
Okay.
No, but you know, this is again a little sophisticated. This is the real way.
Massaging.
The
You're massaging the
massaging
mango.
way.
All right, Grace, so I request you to take one mango
Okay.
and join me in doing this.
Do I need I don't have a bucket.
Oh, yeah.
That's part of your training. Next time you will. All right, so when it's done, you remove the top, and here you. Yeah, that's the right way.
Okay. Oh, it's so good though.
I'm feeling jealous now.
Here.
Halfway through, Grace, you should take out the pit, the seed, and then enjoy. Oh, see? Now look what I did to my kurta. Enjoy. Let it spill. Let it ruin your clothes. Because that's part of celebrating Pakistani mangoes.
I can't believe how much of the fruit I actually got out from just rolling it. That's amazing.
Exactly.
So delicious.
It's a lifestyle. It's not just a fruit.
Absolutely. It's a whole experience and it's so satisfying. It's so refreshing. Mine is fridge cold, not as cold as an ice bucket, but it's fridge cold. It's the perfect thing. It's, what is it, 42 degrees today? It is the perfect thing to just take the heat off. It is absolutely a better way. I honestly can't wait for more of Pakistani mangoes to be exported to the United States because all of my family is so jealous. I have so many mangoes every day, and I keep singing their praises, and they're unavailable right now. But inshallah, someday.
When we have mango parties, we have buckets and ice. So cousins and friends and family, they sit together and they have kilos and kilos of mangoes. And you're not supposed to count how much did I eat or did Gracie. You're not supposed to. No. That's a sin.
Good. I won't do that.
So, Shella, here it is. I hope you enjoyed me and Grace trying to have mangoes the real Pakistani authentic way.